What's good? Trade recap for Friday. So, starting off on the daily now. So, obviously, yesterday we had a huge sell off. So, I drew out equilibrium on the daily to see where we went coming down to. So, from the low to the high, we had the green line there, and also I did it from this low as well. Green line there too. Get rid of that one because that one's not really important. Because we hit the other one. So, from this low up to this high, we had the equilibrium, and we can see, we also had a daily imbalance here, one hit, but that's not relevant either. Daily imbalance, daily equilibrium, and that got hit pre-market because we had PPI coming out today at 8:30, an hour before market open. So PPI actually came into daily equilibrium and swept hourly liquidity and came into the daily imbalance. So really that's more reason to go higher. And the 4 hourly, obviously we were bearish, but remember our strategy is getting against 4 hour structure up to higher time frame points of interest, then go down again. So on the 4 hour, we had this fat imbalance from this wick to this wick, which I've marked out, and I'd also marked out the hourly imbalances inside of that 4 hour imbalance. So let's draw that back up actually. So PPI swept liquidity, and from there we were just chopping up really. The 1 minute broke structure right before market opened, and I marked out on the 5 minute the top of the 5 minute order block, this blue line here, because we can see this move down swept out this liquidity. So that's our 5 minute order block, blue line, the top of the wick. So market open, we get pushes up. Obviously the 1 minute broke crucially upside here. So draw equilibrium from the low to the high that was made. Oh, just move the whole thing. Read equilibrium from the low to the high, and you can see that price came all the way down into the order block here, this blue candle down, came into the order block and into the discounted price range, and we entered off this first bullish candle close above the order block and above equilibrium there, and our stops was just, as always, 20 below. Well, it was 19 in this case because I'm on my phone, but whatever. So the 151 tick stop loss, and we had one contract, so that meant we risked quite a lot on this trade. 755, which is more than 1%. That's okay though. And then we came down more into the order block a little bit more. We could have waited and entered down here or this one, but it doesn't really matter. We had big stops for a reason. And then our target, because I'm on holiday obviously, I wanted just to get it done quick. Our target was just the bottom of the 4 hour imbalance for a 1.04 RR trade. As you can see, we could have targeted a lot higher. We could have targeted the midpoint of the two imbalances that we'd marked out for a nice 1.6, top of that hourly imbalance, midpoint of it. We could have targeted absolutely loads. Obviously that's all hindsight, but it would have been quite a naughty trade. You could say middle of the 4 hour imbalance. But it doesn't matter, we targeted there. We were in a lot of drawdown for a while. We nearly got stopped out, but we didn't. And then we just came up and instantly smacked our take profit and then ran right through all of it. So our funded account balance is now at 50,810. Our target is 53,000. Yeah, good trading day, can't really complain. Took a win, made some money. So yeah, we didn't bother looking at ES today. Just trading on NQ. But I'm guessing ES made similar moves. Yeah, pretty similar moves. Yeah, it came into the 5-minute order block and then just absolutely ran it up to the upside, which is to be expected after a massive extension down yesterday. So that's a trade for today, and super happy with it. Sat in the sun by the pool, on my phone. So yeah, that's the trade. I will catch you guys in the next one.